it again.
Welcome back.
Is that pretty close to Alex or no?
That was like a New England
That was
version of the Welcome Back.
The Vermonter welcome back. Hell yeah.
Let's get in the sun.
Yeah. This thing pops, man. All you Honda guys are trying to show you some love here because we've been in Yamaha land lately. All right, guys. Welcome to the channel. Yamaha, a bunch of KTMs, all kinds of other things, but man, this thing pops.
Yeah.
So we got a 2001 CR250 with our big wheel kit. This big wheel kit's gonna be right on our website at bvcoffroad.com. You can also go to bvcbigwheels.com and check it out. It looks old but new, and that was the goal. Cool, man. Start her up. Hasn't been ran since the last trip. I'll insert some clips from the last video. If you didn't see it, go check it out. Basically rode it without any graphics. First kick. Yep. We got our little enduro course out here, which is pretty sweet. Hell yeah. Sick, dude. Throw the stand down. I'll do a little walk around, I guess. See that. Thank you. Not bad, dude. This was the marketplace beater bike. I turned into something pretty badass, so it's amazing what you can do when you just throw a little time into a bike. So what do you think though? Like, how do you like the feel of it? I mean,
Feels awesome.
I know you like the YZ a little better,
Yeah.
we'll be honest. But no, the CR is sick though, for sure.
I love it. It's fun.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, so we got the gold powder coat on here. Drew threw together a dune flag mount for the last ride, but gold on the wheels that he's now welding in-house. Got the billet hubs. Again, guys, there's a little bit of dirt on this thing still because we did ride it a week ago. But yeah, we got it cleaned up now with some new plastic and graphics. ATC 250R headlight shell, 1986. Got a screen on here. If you're wondering on the front fender, that's a 200X, 86, 87 style. Close up here for you. Got the billet triple clamps, widens the front end out. We're running our 12x5 front wheel and a 12x7 in the back. 25 10 12, 25 8 12 for the tire size. So we got a stock size front sprocket going to a 13 up to I believe a 50. Super clean. If you guys like Hondas, you gotta comment because we want to do more of these. So you can see the spacers kicked out. Got a spacer up here to get the tire to clear. Yeah, guys, so that right there is literally what you can do with a used dirt bike. I mean, we're going to be offering more kits for other years. So right now we're doing 2000 and up CR250s. Basically all the Hondas 2000 and up for the 450 and the 250. It's 254 stroke, 454 stroke, and the 252 strokes. We can do a 125. You just got to hit us up, and we can do it. But yeah, if you're interested, give us a call. Go right to bbcoffroad.com. You can grab all our info on there and go to right to bbcbigwheels.com and check some pricing on these kits and go from there. So we're gonna get out of here today. I'm gonna insert some clips of Drew riding this thing last weekend. But right now, we're gonna load this thing up. We're gonna go ride it, get a ton of video content for you guys. We're gonna try to test it out in different scenarios. And yeah, that's gonna get posted tomorrow morning, so stay tuned. So if you guys like CR250s, you got a comment. Thanks, guys.